Yay! Wow! Do that one. Put it on your track. On your track, buddy. There you go. Somebody got his first Hot Wheel track. So he is having a blast. Whoa, you crashed. Are you gonna do it? Here, let me see. Put it on the track, baby. Look, watch Granddaddy. Put it on. Oh, I dropped it. Where'd it go? You gonna do it? Okay, put it on the track. Here, let me help you. Look. Right there. See this? See? See? You do it. Whoa! There you go. On the track, baby. Put it on the track, on here, right here. There you go. There you go. You got it. Woo! Take your time. On the track, remember? Like Granddaddy showed you? Close enough. Okay, you ready? Let Granddaddy do one. I'll race you. You don't want me to race you? Whoa, you crashed. You crashed. Oh, yes, he's having a blast. All right, come to Granddaddy. Let Granddaddy do one. Let me do one, Turkey. Can Granddaddy do one? Put it on the track. Remember I showed you? Right on the track. Ready? There you go. Whoa, boy, be careful. Take your time. Put it on the track, remember? Yeah, you crashed. Put it on the track. Remember how I showed you? Right here. Right there. Yeah, that's pretty good. Good. Oh, that one went upside down. You did, didn't you? Whoa! And that's what we're dealing with. We're having fun. Look at you go. Woo! All right. So much energy.